First thing, gonna go to the park to play for the kids. Industrious Park and playground. Wow! Horse ride. Oh. No. No.
Ay, gusto ko rin ng ganyan.
Napapressure siya. Tapos nung una.
Galing dito.
Wala mo sa laro muna dito. Hindi naman lang yung batang yan dyan. Yan sila Ate Jada. Ha?
Hotdog.
Hotdog. Ang daming table pa dun, oh. Ang cute ng park.
Didi!
Didi, say hi over there. Say hi to Nina over there. Hi! Wow! You flew, Didi!
Isa pa, Nong.
Not again! Wait. That's fun. Look. Go get some sand.
Why?
Do it again!
Mommy, watch me. You ready? Mommy, watch.
Pang rock climbing pala to.
Nina, like this.
Whoa! You want a monster push?
Ganda ng weather.
Monster push!
Are we going in first?
We're walking. Walking.
Can you hold this for me?
So we're walking to the train right now.
So dito din pala tayo nag-park dati. Nung nag-park.
Now entering Los Rios Street, Historic District. Ang galing niya yan, ah. Ayun yung tren, oh. Capistrano.
Oh, dito kami pinakanan mo.
Amtrak. This one's so cute. Boutique.
Oh, 1920s.
1920s. Patikim natin.
Oo.
Sabi mo yung mga Pilipino na free
Basta
taste.
libre. Cheers.
O, tikman na.
Bebe, can I try, be?
Hindi siya unsweetened siya. Pero
Peach apricot daw.
Gida, mauubos.
Oh.
Ano?
Try it.
Wah. Eh ako.
Stay there, Mega. It's okay actually.
It tastes like yung iniinom ko.
Yeah,
It's good. Cute naman ito. Boutique na to. Ang cute ng mga boutique. And mga kainan para mga bahay lang. Kaso may mga dumadaan pa rin mga cars. So parang ano. Be careful.
Oo.
Pagkakain ka dapat yung outfit mo ano. Maganda, dressy.
May dumadaang train.
Ah,
Sa kabila.
May ano, kain.
kanina dumaan yung Amtrak.
Yung mismo kinakainan mo, kita, andun na.
Hot.
Get Joshua one.
I tried mixing matcha tea with pumpkin spice flavor. It's so good. I was like, yeah.
So we're inside. Just gonna. Do you wanna remove it? What does this mean? First in the Philippines. What is it?
Maybe someone in America went to the Philippines.
Maybe.
You know, I was like walking here. I was like, oh wow. Oh, why is it done like this?
It's going there.
Yeah, now go with a wood.
Ayan yan.
Ice cream.
So we're just getting coffee. Tapos we're about to take our lunch ulit. Dito sa coffee shop na to.
Amazon.
Just drinking coffee ngayon. Lunch na.
Pagpasok ko ng tira sabi ko.
This is the train tracks. San Juan Capistrano Station. At ngayon, we gonna eat. Ito tayo. Bago ba to? We're gonna try this Filipino place. I think it's a new place called Breezy. Okay na. So, to go tayo. But we're just gonna eat to go. Para maka-explore pa. So, Pilipino siya. Breezy.
Oh, 50 What?
Sa park, nag-to-go na lang. Tapos,
And my water.
so, ang nangyari sa order ni Mike, nagkamali.
Ate girl.
Pero nalibre tuloy. Ano po?
Okay. $3 pareho ng presyo.
Ayan, nakalibre tuloy siya ng isa pang ano, meal. Thank you, Lord. Yummy!
Anak Ninang is taking a video.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, baby.
Come on. 70.
Ay, grabe, avocado toast ang laki.
Gusto ko kumain ng candy. Get one meal. Okay, we're done eating. At maglalaro mga kabataan. Mamaya na ang comment about sa food. Go swing! Swing, my love! Woo! Yes, anak! Wee! Want me to swing you more? Look at Didi! Ate Jada, yes. And Micah over there. Oh, it's a fake horse. I think I'm hungry. Can I order something, please?
What do you want to order?
What do you have on your menu? Oh, don't.
Eggs?
You have eggs?
Lumpia.
Lumpia. I want something sweet.
For dessert, we have ice cream. Free matcha ice cream.
Matcha ice cream. Can I have some strawberry ice cream? Thank you for my strawberry ice cream. And Ate Jada's over there. Didi and Ate Jada. Horsey, horsey, horsey. Where are you going? Where are you going? He said he's going.
What do you want, my man?
My men? I want some smoothie.
But what food do you want to?
Cupcake. Here's my payment. Thank you.
Can you just
Cupcake?
a ramen
Oh.
lemon?
Oh. Where's the payment? You ate it all. Na kami. Maraming gusto sabihin yung asawa ko kasi marami siyang mga naramdaman sa binilan namin sa BC.
Niloko nila.
Pinaasa niloko nila.
Kasi ni Mike, kasi talagang pinlaro niya.
No, it's so weird how they took it back.
Yeah.
How she took it back.
Ayan.
Pwede mo naman ang iabot na lang sa'yo yung item
Yung lalaki sabi niya, can I see the chicken?
Sabi ko kami, bakit?
Umpisaan mo kasi sa umpisa wala silang background.
Wait, sino yung nagsabi?
Yung lalaki.
Ginawa niya?
Yung lalaki kumuha kay Mike.
Yeah, yung parang kitchen guy, sabi niya, can I see it? Tapos kinuha niya yung buong bag. Pero siya rin yung nagsabi na, yeah, you can have it and then we'll give you back.
Hindi, sa akin babae sinabi sa'yo, diba?
Oh, yung isa ring babae, sabi ko, sabi niya, if you want, you can take it and then we'll give you the locomotive.
Sabi niya.
Tapos sabi ko, is it for free? If it's for free, I'll take it. Sabi niya, yeah. Okay, I'll take it. Tapos binawit.
Oo, ni masungit girl.
Hindi yung masungit.
Ay, lalaki pala, pero siya pala yung Hindi, nung nakita ko pa lang yung si girlie, medyo ano na siya. Yeah, medyo wala siya sa mood sa pagkukuha ng order.
Sabi niya, nakapambahay.
Pero masarap ba, be?
Masarap.
Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain? Baka sabihin nila puro negative yung nasabi natin eh.
Masarap na, gusto mo.
Masarap naman siya and the French toast are really good. Pati yung pancake na
Yung
tikman
loko mo ko rin masarap.
Yung loko mo ko, iba, lighter yung gravy niya, no? Hindi siya ano.
Para siyang ano ng Jollibee.
Pero makapal ng patty.
Saka very handmade yung patty. No?
Lasang beef. Baka hindi mag-sandwich eh.
Hindi siya yung beef na
It has to be a burger. Yung
na
parang burger
very
bun.
fine na
Lasang
pagkakagiling.
So, ayun ang pangyayari guys. Just wanna clear out kung ano nangyari. Okay ka na, be? Okay, we're heading back home.
Hindi, wala na akong tako. Sabi ko nga, okay na yan. Huwag mo nang palitan. Wala na ako.
Masarap pa naman yung chicken. Ano ba yung pangalan niya?
I'm gonna go.
Bye, viewers.
Bye, viewers. See you again on the next video.
No, I want to say something first.
Okay.
Ricky, I hope you had fun at the park. Yeah, I hope you had fun at the park. That was so much fun, even though you weren't playing. Yeah, I hope you get a good time in the park. Yeah. Bye.
Gusto niya na.
Cover.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.